The speed race is sponsored by Trusted AI, your real-world experience. In this round, I'm going to be presenting the questions to you simultaneously. It's the same questions to all three schools. If you want an opportunity to answer the question, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell? Thank you. Yours. Thank you, and yours. If you ring and answer correctly and it's the first attempt at the question, 3 points. If it's the second attempt at the question, 2 points. And if it's the third attempt at the question, 1 point. However, be careful, because if you attempt to answer a question and you are unsuccessful, you lose a precious point. In fact, when you are called upon, the moment you are called upon, and by the way, calling upon, the moment you ring, consider yourself called upon, because you don't need to raise your hand for me to decide who to call. I call the school. Okay, so ring, get called. You have 3 seconds within which to deliver an answer. If you are not ready with your answer within that time, you will hear a bell. When you hear that bell, what it means is that whatever you are saying at that time is your answer. So be careful not to waste time. I am not interested in hearing a rehash of the question. I am not interested in preambles. I am not interested in hearing things like, Madam, we have. No. Please go straight to the answer to avoid any issues. All right. Remember, it's the speed race. So the answer must be perfect one time. For questions that require calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds to present an answer. If there are no calculations, you have your usual 10 seconds. Best wishes, everyone. This first set of questions will require 30 seconds of your time each. First one. A lens system is composed of 2 positive thin lenses separated by 2.0 centimeters, each of focal length 25 centimeters. Find the effective focal length of the system. Yes, Opoku Ware.
13 centimeters.
Yes. Next one. A sphere of radius 20 centimeters and mass 1 kilogram rolls from rest without slipping down an incline from a height of 7 meters on the incline. Find the speed of the sphere at the bottom of the incline. Yes, Accra Academy.
10 meters per second.
Yes. A vehicle negotiates a curve of radius 50 meters in a flat horizontal road. Find the static friction coefficient between the road and the tires of the vehicle if it negotiates the curve at 10 meters per second. Yes, Opoku Ware.
0.2. 0.2.
Yes. Next set, 10 seconds each. Name the mechanism employed by the lungs to eliminate waste products effectively. Oh, it's gas exchange via diffusion in the alveoli. So the mechanism really is diffusion. All right, next one. Which vitamin helps the body absorb calcium? Opoku Ware.
Vitamin D. Vitamin D.
Yes. Next one. What is pisciculture? Yes, Opoku Ware.
It is
a practice of rearing of fish and other aquatic organisms that involving cultural practices and rearing of fishes.
Okay, I'll accept it. Fish farming. Next set, 30 seconds each. A particle has an initial position of 6I minus 15j meters and is moving with constant velocity 5I plus 12j meters per second. Find its position vector after 3 seconds. Opoku Ware.
21I plus 21j, all in meters.
Yes. Next one. Find the nth term, U subscript n, of a series with sum of first n terms, S subscript n equals n squared. Yes, Accra Academy.
U subscript n is equal to 2n minus 1.
You are right. Evaluate the integral. Integral from -1 to 1 of 4, multiplying the expression x plus 1, this expression cubed dx. Yes, Opoku Ware.
A fraction with numerator 1. Just
Yes, you've
1.
been bailed out. Accra Academy.
28.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 16. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds each. First one. A metal each. First one. A metal M, atomic mass 92, has an oxidation state +4 in its oxide. Find the percentage of oxygen in the oxide. Opoku Ware.
26%.
Yes. Next one. A mixture of gases has a total pressure of 150.0 kilopascal and contains 2.00 mole nitrogen, 1.50 mole oxygen, and 0.500 mole carbon dioxide. What is the partial pressure of carbon dioxide? Yes, Accra Academy.
That's 1.88 by 10 to the power 1 kilopascals.
Okay. Last one. A hydrocarbon has a heat of combustion of 39. No, let me start this one again. A hydrocarbon has a heat of combustion of 3,920 kilojoule per mole. If 4.00 gram of the compound releases 196 kilojoule of heat on combustion, calculate its molar mass. Yes, Opoku Ware.
80.0 gram per mole.
Yes. And that's the end of the speed race.
N.